so windy. Guys, look at that view. So pretty. Wait, okay, no, that's not the point of this video. Okay. Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So, today, I know it's the first video, but I got something special up for you guys. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new series I will be doing on this channel, which is called Inspi-artsy. Basically it's Inspi-artsy and artsy combined. Inspi-artsy. Anyways, let me explain about this. It is actually a series where I make portraits of inspirational people, especially Malaysians, but I do it in my stencil art way, of course, such as this. If you haven't seen it, here are some of my works. And basically I'm going to make these kind of portraits, but instead of making just some random people, I'm going to dedicate these paintings back to those people who actually give positive impacts to the world, and who actually done good to the world. And it can be anyone. It can be celebrities, can be influencers, or just some unsung heroes, someone that people don't know about, but they have done so much good for the world or the country. And yeah, that's basically all this series is going to be about. So I actually have done 2 person beforehand, before I started the channel. So I haven't recorded the first one, which is that one. I made it for Hizman Hussein. This is the picture, and I actually have given it to him. And the second one I did record it, so it's going to be today's episode number 1, which is Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah. He is a true hero to Malaysia. We all know that he has done so much for the country. So this is a dedication portrait. So this is a dedicated portrait I made for him, and I hope you guys enjoy the process. Alright, starting off, brand new canvas. I am just starting with a plain white coat, just 1 layer for base. Alright, now I'm putting the first layer of the stencil. This is just a rough shape of the whole body, I mean the face. And I'm using light peach color, which is the base color of the portrait. I actually posted this video and the final product on my Instagram and my Twitter. If you guys haven't followed, you should follow me there. Okay, change of angle. Next layer is a very light brown to create the difference between the color. So you can see a darker shade and the satisfying feel. Alright, moving on. Third layer. This is a light brown color. See, the color gets darker every time I make the stencil more detailed. Guys, trust me when I say peeling is the most satisfying part. It is. Now this is the next layer. I used dark brown for the more detailed parts of the facial features. And peel. So good. Now the last layer. This one is just a black layer. because it is the final layer. So for the more detailed features, I just use black, and this for the coat as well, and the tie. It looks weird for now, but wait for it. The satisfying peel montage for you guys. Now, the final is of course the background. I just cover the stencil for the whole drawing, and I use grey and white for the background. So yeah guys, that's it. That is how I made this portrait right here of Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah. Do you guys like it? I like it. I think it looks quite good actually. Definitely one of my favorite ones I've made so far. And if you guys like it, do press the like button, subscribe, press the bell so you can get notified next time I post a new video of the series as well. And if you guys have any suggestions of who I should do next, the next inspirational people that I should do, comment down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Yeah, continue. Turn out very well.